The Seikan Tunnel project began with extensive geological surveys along the rugged Japanese coastline.
Experts meticulously mapped the seabed terrain to ensure a safe route for the undersea tunnel. Coastal access was prepared to facilitate the massive excavation toward the mountain portals. Excavation officially commenced at the mountain portal, marking the start of the undersea journey. A narrow pilot tunnel was driven deep into the rock beneath the seabed.
Excavated material was efficiently transported out as the tunnel advanced further.
Frequent geological inspections were critical to manage the pressures of the seabed.
Controlled blasting was prepared to expel the rock face safely.
Temporary supports were essential to maintain the tunnel integrity after excavation.
Shotcrete was applied as a vital stabilization layer against the tunnel walls.
This stabilized excavation provided the base for the future permanent structures. As work progressed, the pilot tunnel was expanded into the full railway profile. Installing ventilation ducts was essential for maintaining safe underground air quality. Logistics in the confined space required precise management of every material movement.
Constant monitoring and pumping were required to control groundwater seepage. Rock anchors were drilled deep to reinforce the structural stability. The tunnel floor was carefully prepared to receive the permanent railway foundation.
Formwork and heavy reinforcement were set before the final concrete lining.
Permanent concrete lining transformed the tunnel into a solid structural corridor.
Engineers conducted rigorous inspections of every section of the finished lining. The finished tunnel was ready to become a modern railway passage.
Electrical and safety systems were the final layers of this complex engineering feat.
Railway engineers ensured the tracks were perfectly aligned for safe operation. Engineers conducted rigorous inspections of every section of the finished lining. The completed Seikan Tunnel finally linked the islands of Japan with steel rails.
This monumental achievement remains a symbol of engineering persistence.